Logitech Tap Scheduler exposed. Why your meeting room's still a mess. Fix it fast. Let's face it, your meeting room setup is chaos disguised as order. People wandering the halls like lost sheep, frantically knocking on glass walls, hoping they didn't just interrupt a client call. You've probably seen it: someone books a room, but doesn't show up. Someone else needs the space, but can't tell if it's taken. So you wait, guess, and eventually give up and settle for the break room, aka the land of noisy microwaves. It's not just annoying, it's draining your team's time, energy, and morale. And don't even get us started on double bookings and surprise Zoom crashes. Now amplify that mess across every floor of your office. Multiply the confusion by deadlines, the awkwardness of interrupting board meetings, the eye rolls, the tension, the whispered "is this room even booked?" chaos. Meetings get delayed, moods get sour, and productivity? Gone. And for hybrid teams? It's worse. Remote folks are already feeling disconnected. Add a chaotic booking system to the mix and boom, frustration city. You're not just losing time, you're losing trust, momentum, and your team's creative flow. It doesn't have to be like this, but first, you've got to ditch the guesswork. Enter the Logitech Tap Scheduler, your office's new secret weapon in the war against meeting madness. This sleek, purpose-built panel lets you instantly see room availability with a glance, thanks to vibrant LED indicators. Need to book a space on the fly? Tap it, done. Want to reserve for next week's pitch? Tap again. That's it. Clean cabling, included mounts, and multiple install options make it a pro-level fix without the IT migraine. And the best part? It works seamlessly with Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and other major platforms, so it's plug and play, not pray and reboot. This isn't just a gadget, it's a workflow revolution. Imagine walking down the hallway and instantly knowing what rooms are free. Imagine zero confusion, zero awkward interruptions, zero missed meetings. The Logitech Tap Scheduler makes it stupid simple to own your space, own your time, and actually get work done. Plus, with Logitech Sync, IT teams can manage it remotely, push updates, and keep every room running smooth as butter. Thousands of organizations are already loving it, and the reviews say it all: reliable, easy to use, and built to last. Wanna boost team focus and cut chaos? You know what to do. So why are you still battling your calendar with a whiteboard and a prayer? Act now. Tap Scheduler units move fast. Don't let the best meeting spaces get hogged because you're tech stuck in 2009. Join thousands who've upgraded their office flow and finally got their teams synced, sane, and back on schedule. Whether you're managing 10 rooms or a whole building, Tap Scheduler is your shot at sanity. Hit the link, grab yours, and let's turn those "is this room booked" moments into a confident, silent strut to productivity. You've waited long enough. Now go own your schedule.